Prevent sealant from leaking out of the ends of a driveway crack by containing the ends before you pour. Start by cleaning the crack thoroughly with a wire brush and a leaf blower or compressed air until all dust and debris are gone, so the sealant adheres properly. For cracks that terminate at open edges, apply a doubled back piece of Gorilla Tape across the end, so the sticky faces meet and form a temporary plug. Press firmly and trim flush to the surface. If Gorilla Tape is not available, fold a strip of heavy-duty masking tape back on itself so the adhesive faces touch and press that into the crack end. This creates a removable barrier that will hold viscous sealant. For larger voids or when the crack meets a joint or culvert, use a small foam or wooden wedge cut to fit inside the gap and seal around it with tape to stop flow. When tooling the sealant, work from the middle toward the taped or blocked ends to avoid pushing material past the barrier. Allow the sealant to skin over slightly before removing tape or plugs so you avoid drawing cured material out of the repair. Common mistakes include leaving debris in the crack, which prevents adhesion and causes the sealant to migrate. Fix this by using a stiff brush and blowing the dust out and running a damp rag if needed to remove fine particles. People often remove tape or plugs too early and pull cured sealant from the repair. Wait until the surface is tacky but not fully cured, usually the time recommended on the product label, then peel slowly at a low angle. Another issue is using thin or light tape that lets sealant squeeze through. Choose heavy-duty Gorilla Tape or double-back masking tape for an effective temporary plug and press it tight into the crack so there are no gaps. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like driveway seal repairs. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have tackled similar repairs.